How to use templates in Zoho Mail. I'm gonna guide you through the process on how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, head over to the Zoho Mail app. After you are in the app, make sure that you are logged in with your account. Once you are logged in, you will see this kind of app interface. Now, in order to use templates, you can start a new email. For that, you can tap on this compose button in the bottom right. Once you are in this compose page, at the top right, you can see the three dots icon. Tap on it. Now you can select this insert template option. It will prompt you to the template list page. From here you can choose your preferred templates. You must have already saved templates before over here. I don't have any templates, so it is not showing up anything over here. But if you have the template saved, it will appear over here. You can select your preferred template. The template content will be inserted over here, and you can customize as per your need. Once you are done, you can send the email. So that's how you can easily use templates in Zoho Mail. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.